Welcome guys, welcome to another video. This is my Jamaican style curry chicken. And here I've just sauteed the chicken. I've seasoned it already, washed with lemon and vinegar and everything, making sure it's nice and seasoned. Here we have some chopped vegetable, onion, potatoes, peppers, garlic, scallion and thyme and everything. So we're just trying to making sure that everything is sauteed with the meat so it can blend with the flavors and everything. So just to give it a really nice taste. And now we've added some water. We add some pimento seeds, butter, and making sure it's nice and simmered. So now we get it nice and simmered down. Look at that. Please like the video, guys. Remember to share it. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meal ideas. And look at that. Bless.